Welcome to Technical Laboratory YouTube channel. Today I am discussing about joins of DBMS. At first, what is join? Join are needed to retrieve data from two tables, related rows on the basis of some condition which satisfies both the table. Mandatory condition to join is that at least one set of columns should be taking values from same domain in each table. Next, how many types of joins in DBMS? There are mainly two types of joins, inner join and outer join. In this video, I show you how to implement inner join in MySQL using two table. So at first, what is inner join? Inner join is the most common join operation used in application and can be regarded as the default join type. Inner join creates a new result table by combining column value of two tables. Suppose there are two tables A and B. The table A has two columns C1 and C2 and table B has two columns D1 and D2, and table A consists the following element in C1 column 1, 2 and C2 column A and B, and table B consists two columns D1 and D2. D1 consists of data 1 and 3 and D2 consists of data yes or no. Now we implement or more elaborately in MySQL software. I create two tables and write the commands. What is the command of inner join? The command is like that: select star from table 1, inner join table 2 on table 1 dot some attribute which are common between two tables equals to table dot common attributes. Some key points of inner join. The cross join or inner join does not apply any predicate to filter records from the join table. Programmers can further filter the results of a cross join by using a where clause. Number 2, an equijoin is a specific type of comparator based join that uses only equality comparison in the join predicate. Number 3, a special case, a table, base table, view or join table can join to itself in a self join.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.